Hey, cleaning business owners. Do you feel stuck when it comes to marketing your business? Maybe you think you need a big budget to get more clients, but guess what? You don't. In this video, I'm going to show you powerful marketing strategies you can use for free to attract clients, grow your brand, and get steady cleaning contracts without spending a dime. So if you're ready to take your cleaning business to the next level, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's dive in. Why marketing matters for your cleaning business. Before I give you the free strategies, let's talk about why marketing is important. And hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Karen Denton, your KSC bidding consultant, and we're going to talk about how you can market your cleaning business for free. So the right marketing gets your business in front of potential clients. It builds trust and credibility, making people more likely to hire you. Without marketing, you're relying on luck instead of strategy to grow your business. And the best part, you don't need a big budget to make an impact. Leverage social media. Social media is one of the most powerful free marketing tools. Create a business page on Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Post before and after photos to show your work. Use video content, short clips of your team cleaning, clients' testimonials, or quick cleaning tips. Join local Facebook groups. Many business owners search for cleaning services in community groups. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, share helpful cleaning tips, and interact with local businesses. Now, here's a pro tip. Post at least 3 to 4 times per week and make sure your contact information is in your bio. And there's also word of mouth and referrals. That's how I started. I got a lot of business on referrals. People trust referrals more than ads. Tell your current clients you're accepting new business. Ask happy clients for reviews on Google, Facebook, and Yelp. Offer referral discounts. Give clients a discount on their next service for every new client they refer. That's a good idea. Network with business owners. Connect with property managers, realtors, and other professionals who can send you leads. And that's how I grew too, a lot of referrals. And here's a pro tip. Your best customers are your best salespeople. Make it easy for them to refer you by handing out referral cards and creating a simple referral link. Now, I've had a lot of clients refer me for more work to other businesses. Get involved in your local community. Local businesses love working with people they know and trust. Attend networking events, and this is what I always say. Go to all the networking events in your city and go to business meetups. Introduce yourself and your business. You can offer a free cleaning for a charity or a community event. That gets your name in front of people while supporting a good cause. That's just like I joined the Clean for a reason. But it's so funny how nobody uh, nobody submitted anyone for that free cleanness for cancer patients. Um, so yeah, you can leave business cards and flyers at coffee shops, gyms, and community boards. And here's another pro tip. Be present when your potential clients are. The more people see your name, the more they'll remember you and when they need a cleaner. Optimize your Google business profile. People searching for cleaning services go straight to Google. Claim and set up your Google business profile. It's Google My Business. We should all have a Google My Business account. Add high quality photos of your work. Get client reviews to boost your ranking. List your business on free directories like Yelp, I don't use Angie, but Angie, and it says Thumbtack. I don't use Thumbtack either. I have never used those. And here's a pro tip: show up where people are searching. The more reviews and activity on your Google profile, the higher you'll rank when someone searches for cleaning services near you. And then you can do cold outreach and email marketing. Sometimes the best way to get clients is to ask. Send emails to local businesses introducing your services. Cold call small businesses and offices and offer a free walkthrough or consultation. Well, my walkthroughs are free anyway. Drop off a business card or a proposal at an office building, school, or medical facility. Follow up consistently. Many businesses don't respond right away, but persistence pays off. And I always say you got to do follow up. You just don't submit it and just sit there. And here's a pro tip: keep a list of businesses you've contacted and follow up every 2 to 3 weeks. Many contracts are won through consistent outreach. Now you know how to market your cleaning business for free. All right. Now you have 5 powerful marketing strategies that you can start using today without spending a dime. One is leveraging social media. Number two is use word of mouth, referrals. I know you got to know some business owners that start connecting or reconnecting with them. Get involved in your local community. You can always show up at their events and pass out business cards and stuff. Optimize your Google business profile. Now, my leads come in every day and they come in organically through Google. So you have to utilize that Google My Business page. Try cold outreach and email marketing. So if you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so you don't miss future videos. And if you have a topic or something you want me to talk about, put it in the comment. I'm trying to give you guys what I feel you need. So if I'm missing something, put it in the comment and I'll make it happen. So here's a question: what's your biggest challenge when marketing your cleaning business? Drop a comment below. I love to hear it. All right, I'll talk to you guys on the next video.